Hey guys, this is Mel from Gear and Guitars with Mel, and just a little quick unboxing I'm super excited about, so I wanted to show you guys. Let's take a look right here. Hey, what's all that? Hey, this is Mel, Gear and Guitars with Mel, with a quick unboxing I'm really excited about. If you look down here, this is a box from Harley Benton, so I already busted the tape out. All right, back up so you can get it all in the picture. All right, let's pull this out of here. Oh, well, that's a nice case, isn't it? Oh.
By the way, this is me.
And what do we got there? Well, as I spin the camera, you can see that says Harley Benton, but look at the size of this case. Well, as Trogley would say, 1, 2, and 3. Oh yeah. Oh, you're seeing it. That's a real thing right there. That's a real thing. So, there it is. This is a Harley Benton DC612, as in 612. Yeah, she's a beast. I've been eyeing these for a while now, because, well, their construction is pretty dang good. I'm a big fan of their instruments. I've gotten a few. Let's see here. What we got? Oh, look at that. What's that? 3 pieces of mahogany in the body. I'm okay with that. Mahogany neck, proper Grovers. So that's legitimately 18 Grover tuners right there. All right. I'm gonna have to, when I do the actual review, we'll get into the specs, because I know some of them, but I do not know all of them. But yeah, we'll definitely get into it. Which is pretty good. All right. Well, there she is. She gets welcome to the family, and you will be hearing her and getting a full review ASAP. Thanks for checking out Gear and Guitars with Mel. Again, I'm Mel.